Hey guys, how's it going? I know it's been a month since I've uploaded a video, but I've been actually traveling and I have a whole lot of content coming your way. But my last few videos on the OnePlus 2, so many comments coming in, and most of you have been actually asking for the invites. Now, I've spoken to OnePlus and they've been gracious enough to give us 15 invites in all. Now, here's the deal. I have 10 invites to give to Indian customers only, Indian viewers only, and 5 international giveaways. And it's fairly simple. There are 2 links below, one for the India giveaway, one for the international giveaway. Now, all you have to do is sign in, and as soon as you sign in, you'll get a free entry. Now, on top of that, you could do a couple of things. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll get an extra entry. And if you follow AnAnthology on Twitter, that's going to give you 2 entries. And on top of that, you could come back every day and tweet the daily tweet, and you could get an entry, and that could add up to actually 14 entries if you do that on a daily basis. On top of that, you could follow us on Instagram, and that's valid for 2 entries. And there is a question out there. If you answer, you'll get an entry for that as well. And just in case you don't win an invite through this giveaway contest, then you should check out our other video where we compared some of the best flagship smartphones of 2015. And one of them actually beats the OnePlus 2 on many accounts. And if you watch that video, that's also worth another entry. Now, the contest is fairly simple. Just follow the rules and regulations in the description below. And it's very easy to enter this. Now, it's not going to take more than 5 minutes of your time, and we close this contest on the 3rd of October, and the winners will be announced on the 4th, the following day, through our social media channels, which is of course Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. So make sure you follow us on all of them. Anyway, what do you think of this giveaway contest? I know we're only giving away invites for now, but we'd love to do more meaningful stuff and actually give away phones and maybe start off with the OnePlus 2. Let me know in the comment section below, and most importantly, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.